So I'm here in ICM today. I'm checking out this Bamboo Expo. They are here at the atrium starting today, September 22 until September 25. I guess the event is about to start. It's supposed to start at 2. It's almost 3. It's Filipino time, but all good. Okay, it's about to start. Okay, I'm now here with Blair. It's the main organizer here of this beautiful event. If you can tell us something more about what this is all about.
Yeah, we are happy to inform everyone that the Department of Trade and Industry is organizing the first Bohol Bamboo Expo.
That's the
this
first
year.
one?
This is the first one, yes,
okay.
it's the first one. No? Basically, this Bamboo Expo is designed to assist our bamboo processors go back to the mainstream in selling their product, because basically it's not the same as the processed food, the coffee, the cacao and everything that you could sell it Lazada, they could sell it Shopee, because small items. However, these products on bamboo are so big furniture and everything, so they cannot be sold online. So what we do is slowly by slowly we are putting this events like this to allow our farmers, our processors on bamboo furniture to slowly go back to what they usually do, selling their product. No? We are also organizing 2 virtual lectures. No? On the 23rd, it's bamboo life cycle and the materiality of bamboo and its application to architectural finishes. No? So we have experts from Cebu Architects, architect Onuzawa, Joy Martinez Onuzawa, and another lifestyle architect who is specializing in bamboo construction and engineering. Architect Brian Oman doing all this presentation, because Dr. Architect Brian Oman is also a master's degree holder on bamboo application in Indonesia. So again, we would like to invite everyone. We are running this fair starting today until afternoon of Saturday on the 25th. Okay? So please come visit us and visit DTI Facebook page for the links of our virtual talks. It is free. So once again, thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat kayo.
Thank you, Blair.
Salamat.
Congratulations. A week full of events. Check them out within ITM.
Thank you.
All the best. Keep it up. I'm here with EJ.
Hello guys, we are from the Regenesis project and we're located in Matinao, Carmen, Bohol.
What's your project all about?
So the project of Regenesis project is we are into regenerating our soil, our land, especially those degraded land here first in the island of Bohol. And for the moment we are doing a restoration camp event every month. By the way, we are the first restoration camp in the Philippines.
Oh, seriously?
And we are, we're the first one in the Philippines and we are 3rd in Asia.
Oh, wow, amazing.
So we are very glad and we are very honored and we are very thankful to be your camp, restoration camp. So we are inviting you guys to join.
What do you mean by restoration camp?
So camping is all about, we just like go in the places, we just do camping, cooking, drinking, and have some fun. But this time in Regenesis project, we camp, we had fun, and we are helping restoring, because we are planting bamboos, we are planting trees after the camp. So basically, it's not just only doing fun, it's giving back to nature and connecting back to nature.
So you have like a nursery of bamboos, different type of bamboos, I believe.
Yeah, we have nursery of bamboos. I believe we have already 10,000 bamboos ready to be planted.
Huge.
And we are one of the biggest nursery in Visayas region. So yeah.
So I can see it's a project with a lot of ambitions, right? In the long-term run also for Bohol, and for not only for Bohol, for all of Visayas, right? You were telling me that bamboo is actually lacking here in the Philippines, and is widely used everywhere, but still we're in need of more bamboo.
Yeah, you are right, Paolo. So basically the project is a dream project. It's a long shot project. It's for me, I'm very blessed and very thankful to be part of it, because this project would help and save us from the climate change.
Keep it up with the projects.
Thank you so much, pal.
Awesome. Visit them here in ICM. We're going to be here until Sunday, I believe.
Until Saturday.
Until Saturday. Okay, so check them out. Say hi to EJ.
Thank you, guys.
And catch him in Bamboo Saturday night.
Saturday night in Bamboo and Bamboo in Carmen. See you guys. He's one of the most handsome and popular vlogger in Bohol, and he wanted to feature on his vlog.
Okay, I'm going to interview him. He's going to tell me more about your project, which is beautiful, really. Yeah, congratulations about that. Yeah.
Okay.
Where we stay here or?